Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant stuck on match loading screen. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search and then you need to write turn Windows features on or off. And then you need to look if the Hyper-V is unchecked. If it's unchecked, you're good to go. If it's not, just uncheck it like this. Then you need to just type V here and then make sure that these two options also is unchecked, right? And then you need to look for Microsoft Defender Application Guard. Also make sure that these options is unchecked, right? And then if it's not, if this fix is not working for you, you need to go to Riot Client, open file location, and then open file location again. And then here you need to look for properties and make sure under the here we need to probably go back because it's not what I'm looking for. On properties here, make sure that shortcut here is minimized, and then go to compatibility and make sure run this program as administrator is checked. And after you did that, then you need to open up your computer, this PC, then local disk, and then you need to go to Riot Games, Valorant, Live, and you need to delete this file. And then you need to restart your computer and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to open up CMD or command prompt as administrator. And then you need to put two tasks here. First one is delete VGC and VGC and hit enter, and then another one is delete VGK. Right, hit enter, and then you need to go to task manager and end all the tasks related to Riot Client, Valorant, or Valorant Vanguard. And after that, restart your computer, and after you restart your computer, you need to do another step. You need to go to your PC again, disk C, program files, and then you need to look for Riot Vanguard here. And then what you need to do here is to delete this folder. And after you delete this folder, then you just need to go to Riot Client, log into your account, and on Valorant it will be not play button but update, and just update, press update, and it will reinstall Vanguard and your problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.